Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
Stormy skies in the Klamath Basin. A live look at Klamath Falls, looking towards the south as we're tracking some thunderstorms on the east side. Currently in the city of Klamath Falls, 83 degrees. Winds are breezy right now out of the west. Take a look at that humidity level though, 24%. We got some very dry air at the lower levels, and that's going to mean even though these showers and storms are popping up, not a lot of rain is going to reach the ground. So we're incredibly concerned about dry lightning sparking new fires, especially today, but even tomorrow. We expect thunderstorm activity to expand. The storms will likely be a bit wetter for tomorrow as some more moisture moves into the region, but still that potential that we could see some more fires just because fuels are critically dry now that we're into August. You can see some of these thunderstorms just south of 140, so things are going to get pretty active between Lakeview and towards the Bonanza area. Some of those storms now moving over Bonanza. To the south, we have a few cells in far northeast portions of Siskiyou County and another storm trying to get going in just east of Etna, not producing lightning just yet, but there is that potential that even in Siskiyou County, we could see a few thunderstorms through this evening. Right now, 93 degrees in Medford, 91 in Grants Pass. I think we're going to avoid thunderstorms, but there is a slight chance we could see a storm in the Rogue Valley for tomorrow. Temperatures on the east side in the 70s and 80s, 81 in Lakeview, and we're at 76 up in Chemult. We do have some smoke and haze out there. A lot of this is from the Bedrock fire. So we do have some air quality that's down to about moderate from Grants Pass and Medford down through Talent. Unhealthy for sensitive groups in Ashland and up at Crater Lake. Also some moderate air quality in the basin. Things are good though in Lakeview and in Mount Shasta. Take a look at those winds. Breezes picking up. That could help to push out some of the smoke in the Rogue Valley as we head into this evening. For tonight, more smoke from the Bedrock fire will push into the east side. We're also concerned about thunderstorms still lingering a bit along and east of the Cascades even through tonight. Tomorrow for your Friday, temperatures will be fairly seasonal for the most part. We'll see breezy winds developing in the afternoon, but thunderstorm chances do expand in our region. Take a look at what we're expecting for tomorrow. More widespread thunderstorms, especially along and east of the Cascades, also into Siskiyou County. The storms expected to be a bit wetter, a better chance at some downpours with some of the storms and some heavier rain at times, but still going to be concerned about dry lightning, especially on the outskirts of these storms. And then also just fuels are extremely dry. So with abundant lightning with these storms, we could see definitely numerous fire starts tomorrow. And with gusty storm winds, that could allow some of those fires to spread rapidly. So red flag warnings will be widespread for the east side tomorrow, 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. Friday, and then some areas, of course, northern Klamath County and Lake County already in that red flag warning with the activity out there today. So stormcast as we head on into tomorrow. Storms could get going fairly early as we head into the morning hours in the Klamath Falls area in Klamath County. Storms will light up as we go through the afternoon for much more of the region, especially along and east of the Cascades, but parts of the west side could see some storms as well, maybe even the Rogue Valley. We'll have at least a slight chance of a thunderstorm tomorrow. Looks dry though for the valley this weekend. Temperatures heating up a bit, and then things looking pretty stormy tomorrow at the Klamath County Fair. Also a threat for a thunderstorm on Saturday. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast for the coast. Temperatures warming up this weekend, some brighter skies, some patchy areas of smoke and haze from the flat fire. For Northern California, the chances for thunderstorms picking up a bit to round out the work week. Next week is looking fairly dry. The Klamath Basin, very unsettled. We'll be concerned tomorrow. That red flag warning in place throughout the day and then into the evening. Taking a look at the Cascades, under the gun for some thunderstorms tomorrow, Saturday as well. Sunday is trending drier. And then as we head towards the Rogue Valley, slight chance of a thunderstorm tomorrow. As we head through the weekend, temperatures heat up a bit, but nothing too terribly hot expected through next week.